Hi guys, welcome to Dishaka channel guys. So guys, today I'm discussing about that how you can adding the social share button on your website. So what do you mean by social share button? So you're writing a blog or WordPress or any kind of website. When coming to scroll down in the right corners or anywhere, we have to add the social share button. That mean by you can share by WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Telegram. Lot of options are there. This option how we can adding on your website. So in this purpose I have to select one website name is called seasonindoor-swimmingpool.com. So this website will be providing for swimming classes from Fondapur Gachibowli. So any people will be share content through WhatsApp anywhere. So how will we share the content? In this purpose we can add the content option will be here. In this purpose we have to use website name is called addthis.com. Which website? Addthis.com. First of all, log in your Gmail account. In the Gmail account, we can enroll your website with the domain name option. In this add this, we can enroll for number of website. Now, just create your this option. In this addthis.com, we have checked for your analytics properly. In this, go to tool option. They are providing for add new tool option. So here we'll be using share button, follow button, related post, website tips or link promotion, link building. These all options are there. In the select option name is called share button. So we'll go for one by one step. After that, there are particular options are there. Inline, expanding, image shade, pop-up, banner, slider. Lot of options are there. Now guys, here we'll be selecting option will be floating. So this option will be using anyone into your particular website, or you can go for inline selection. So floating will be easy to share your content. This will be show on your options are. In this, select your content. Here a lot of options are here. These all option will be design, share content, where your option will be visible in a button option, left side, right side. Any option we can show to the here, bottom, top, hide. So here, first of all, add your icons selected by you. Here will be similar by 5 option. In this, which is not required, close this option. Here, LinkedIn, we can use WhatsApp. Recently added one of the option name is called Telegram. So anything will be here. So you can use this option. So these are all your particular tools option here. Back to, so right now I'm adding for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram. Just move on to this option. Finally, when selecting options are here, first of all, how much large you have to display, default colors, labels, everything will be select, standard and a border. So is a border option. Next, so in this individual, or we can go total. So this all will be here. We can go to select individual. Individual share option is a compulsory mandatory field. So how many people share your content? So that is easily we can count on the particular share count option. So these all option and where you can show the things. So I have to most of the content will be sharing by the left side, right side. Any option will be visible. So when content will be there, so we have to add the content will be in these options. Now, okay, top 20%. So anything will be given. So click for activate tool. After that, you receive the one code here. This code where you can place in your header part, the code will be use this option. The purpose of you can log in the cPanel. We can go to the file manager. So in the cPanel, where your exact file will be there, we can add the particular file option. So I have to add the page will be service info page. edit. So anywhere you can add this option here. Now we have to go for refresh this option. This refresh, the showing for your particular share option will be here. What are the changes you've done? Simple will be go to option name is called tool, click for setting. Here, what are the changes are required? So I am give option will be 60%. Update tool. Now we have to refresh this option. So here we will be adding this option. So little bit we can come into more option. We can increase this. So that is will be using the particular things. So here this all option will be given in this particular setting. So setting option. So we have to go will be here, update tool and refresh. So this WhatsApp icon little bit we can down it. So they will be all icons will be visible to the option. When you click here, the content will be shared to the your particular Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Any option will be visible in the particular add this option. So this is the method we can use to increase the users performance and share the content on the particular platform. Not only this 5 or 6, we can add more option. We can go to simple set option here, selecting add more. So what are the options are here? We can add in for social bookmarking also. Click update tool. So automatic update. Now will be 6. We can add by one more option is called 7 will be added. These all option once you can enter the code on your website. No need to worry about that in a particular option. See this. So these all options. So here, what are the changes is going on? 60%. We can add in for 15%. Now we have to refresh. There is a change. So what are the change you can occur to your website? All changes will be showing here. Now previous 6, now will be 7. So we adding for one more option is called Tumblr. So these are the features we can give option name is called in a particular social media share button. This method we can use and change your content, add a social media share content. This will be suitable for every particular option name is called Blogger, WordPress. Any website will be same. We can add number of tools. Each website will adding for separate tools. This all option will given by the particular website. So this method we can use, increase the social share button on your particular website. If any further doubts, you can comment me on my particular channel. I definitely will be support, or you can adding the tool, this code on your WordPress, PHP, HTML website.